Hello everyone, hope you all doing well. This is my first long video in YouTube and this is about turning your cell phone into a resin 3D printer. In last 2 years I was working on a project to turn my old cell phone into a resin 3D printer and it works. I succeed and I print lots of successful prints with the printer. But lately I forget that project and I don't push it forward. So I'm gonna show it to you and describe it. This is the machine. I have built it. The body is 3D printed. This is the actual phone and the LCD is separated and the phone board and other stuff is in there plus UV lights. I have designed and create handmade circuit board for it, and this one has a unique software and I have wrote the firmware and everything works very fine with it, but I need to be motivated to push this project forward. So if anyhow my YouTube gets 10k of subscribers, I will open source this project and I will work hardly on it and make it something that everyone can use it. Thank you very much. So this is one of the 3D printers I've built. Sorry for the dust. I have not worked on this project for a long time. So this is the printer itself and there is some UV resistance pellets here. It will kept here by magnets, and this is the handmade plate. It will plug here as you see and screwed here. I haven't found my screw, but it can be adjusted. And this is the watt I have designed and print. It works very well. This is the phone LCD. I don't remember the model of this. This is an Android. I think this is a Samsung. And here are UV lights. Everything is managed by the phone, and an Arduino Nano just does the motor driving and this kind of stuff and fans and lights, but everything is handled by phone, and it has an interface. If you connect to the Wi-Fi through hotspot, you can work with the app and see what's going on. In the future I'm going to use phone vibrations and phone camera to detect any fails. The board I have designed with Altium and handmade it. Okay, let me open this up. Yeah, as you see, this is the inside, and this is the phone board. Everything is connected, and this is the light source. There is work to do on this project, but as you see, it just getting dust on it because I don't have time to work on it. But if you subscribe to my channel and get it to 10k, I will make more effort on it and make this project open source, so anyone with an old phone can build a very good and very perfect 3D printer, resin 3D printer with a very, very low budget. So I've documented everything from the beginning of this project, and they just need to be viewed and modified so to be clear for everyone and translate to English so I can share them. I'm waiting for you. Please I really love to do this kind of projects and share for free, but I need some motivations. Please do it for me and for you. Please.